Today on Thai Caliente, we're making taco wonton cups with Salsa Verde Chicken.
Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, be sure to do so. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you guys a recipe for taco wonton cups. So instead of using a crispy corn tortilla shell or flour tortilla, we're going to be making the taco shells out of wonton skins. So you're going to need a muffin tin, some cooking oil spray, and then these wonton wrappers. I got these at my local grocery store in the refrigerated section. They're usually by like the tofu or other Asian products, and I'll show you exactly how to make them.
So in a muffin tin, go ahead and spray it with some cooking oil spray. I'm using avocado oil spray because it has a high heat point. And then these are the wonton wrappers, and I'm just going to place one wonton wrapper into each tin. And you want to make sure that it's sort of somewhat even, but it doesn't have to be perfect. But as we're done, we want to go through and make sure the bottoms are all touching the bottom of the pan, so that way it cooks evenly. So I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Definitely check them at 8 minutes, depending on how hot your oven runs, but you can see how golden and crispy these wonton cups turn out. So now we're going to be making Salsa Verde Chicken. You can use any type of salsa you want, but I wanted to go with Salsa Verde. So I put 1 cup of salsa, and I'm adding about 2 pounds of chicken breast, and then I'm just going to season the top with some salt and pepper just to give it a little more flavor. And I'm going to put the lid on and cook this on high pressure for 20 minutes, and then our chicken is done. So once the timer goes off after 20 minutes, you can let the steam naturally release or quick release it. And then I'm just going to go in with 2 forks directly into the pot and shred the chicken. And you end up with a nice, flavorful, juicy chicken. So to build our taco wonton cups, I have my wonton shell, and I'm going to add a layer of Salsa Verde chicken. And then this version, for my kids, I am going to top it off with some cheese, but I'm going to make another version here in a little bit without any dairy. And then I'm just adding some shredded iceberg lettuce, some chopped tomatoes, and then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of Greek yogurt or sour cream. So there you have our completed taco wonton cup with Salsa Verde chicken. So this version that I'm making is for myself since I don't eat any cheese. I have the same wonton shells, and I'm going to be adding refried beans on the bottom. This is my recipe for Peruvian beans. I'll link it in the iCard. And I'm going in with the same Salsa Verde chicken, but I also wanted to do a guacamole. So you guys can see the toppings are pretty versatile, whatever your heart desires. And I'm adding the shredded lettuce as well as chopped tomatoes.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to dive in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Whoops, they're pretty fragile. So light and crispy, crunchy, and just the perfect little vessel for a taco. Bye guys.